Ladies and gentlemen, my video is about removing the new ransomware called FBIRAS. FBIRAS is a new ransomware targeting many Windows computers all over the world today. FBIRAS ransomware may damage the files. Before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open the files without troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. All that can be damaged by this ransomware called FBIRAS. And unfortunately, it might happen sometimes. Typically, this happens because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system. So, very soon, this ransomware encrypts files and damages them. So this is what happens. The ransomware first of all changes the desktop background. In fact, this desktop background contains the ransom note, and there is another ransom note titled as readme.txt. Finally, the files are given another extension, which is FBIRAS. This FBIRAS extension is appended to the file names. If you remove the extension manually, the files are still encrypted and you cannot actually restore them. The ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration, but of course, paying the ransom is not a good idea, so don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove the ransomware with Combo Cleaner. Go to the page combocleaner.com, use the green download Combo Cleaner button, install it, and then once the software gets successfully installed, start researching the system. Combo Cleaner will be initially in the trial mode, and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. So click on the Start Scan button. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware. So do not skip this very important step. After the anti-malware database gets successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating the system. At the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their exact locations. Some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium license. This way you can always request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. And speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover the data. So upgrade to premium, request trial, you'll get a free trial key to remove this ransomware. And as I said, regarding file decryption, please pay attention to a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more facts about how to possibly recover the data.